So again, let me show you how to do it. You click on Twinery here, twinery.org. To load in the story you did last time. You download it from your Google Drive. You go here to Library and then Import. And then you choose the file you downloaded from the internet, from your Google Drive. Like this is the game I made, right? The Quest for Food. And you can just load it in like that. Alright? And all the kind of complicated example we had last time. Now, I do want you to, and they're really good examples of what you can do with this engine. Now, from Google Drive, it's a little bit annoying to download. Click here on the name of it, then go to a little dot, open in a new window, and then you gotta download like this. I don't know why it's so annoying, but there's like 3 steps, okay? And then you can close it. They're all very different. Like, let's take a look here at this one, Nano Pesos. If you go to play this one, couldn't load. Alright, who's this guy? About 1 year ago, this picture of Pope Francis wearing a very fashionable puffer jacket. It went viral, right? But a lot of people thought it was real. It's made by AI, but a lot of people thought it was real because it looked a lot more realistic than the other AI-generated pictures at that time. But glasses end and the face begin. Alright? So usually you're going to see like the fingers and hands are going to be weird or misshapen or you don't really know what they're doing. You're going to see that edges and angles that should be straight are kind of uneven, right? So this cross, normally we would think it would be like a 90-degree angle, right? But it's kind of like weird and curved, and this doesn't really look like Jesus here, okay?
Yeah.
And objects are incomplete or they blend together. So where's the glasses and where's his face? Where does that? It's really hard to see there, okay? All right, so because AI is getting better and better, you guys need to know about some scams, okay? You need to know about how AI can be used to trick people and especially trick, I think it's easy to trick older people, but actually I think a lot of you guys need to know about this stuff as well, or you might get tricked as well. Alright, do you guys know about Whitney's chocolate experience? The website, if it'll load, I think it's still loading. Or did they take it? Wow, this is like a really cool experience. It's going to be, you take your kids, and it's just like Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory, just like the movie. Okay, your journey begins in an enchanted garden with giant sweets, vibrant blooms, mysterious-looking sculptures. It's saying basically, it's going to look like this. Most of these images. If you went there, first of all, the tickets cost £35. It's about $1,014. The only candy you could get was jelly beans. There was this woman here, just like a Oompa Loompa. She would give you some jelly beans. Each kid got 2 jelly beans.
Wow.
Only 2, okay, for each kid. And then the actors in the event, they followed this really strange script written by AI. Let's take a look. So this is what it kind of looks like. Little name ones of Lai Ching-ge. I don't know. Has anybody seen any deepfake videos of Lai Ching-ge? Anybody?
Lai Ching-ge.
I got lost in the grocery store.
So this is
couldn't
made.
find my way out. But that's when I saw it. A glowing pistachio.
Okay. And that's just a funny one, right? This is just like a fun. I thought ChatGPT could be useful for some easy things. Like I asked it to make a list of 5-letter words using the first 5 letters of the alphabet, A to J. So I could play a spelling game with some young students, okay? And let's take a look. So I asked it for a... First of all, what do you see? What do you see in that list? Is anything wrong with that? Then I asked it why. Why do you list some words multiple times? It's basic stuff. It's no good at all, okay? But I still think it still has some use, okay? We're going to take a look at making pictures, okay? I think for your game, I really don't want you to use ChatGPT to write the words, because I think that's boring. So I'm going to try to work on it and show it to you in the next period. Train on huge amounts of pictures from the internet, okay? And they can even mimic a particular artist's style. So if you include their name in the prompts, if you say like, oh, something by Van Gogh, it can make that. But I think that's really quite bad because a lot of people are losing jobs over that. But I think it's fine, okay? So we're going to use this one. We're going to use Being Image Creator, okay?